We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we have been full-time RVing since December of 2017. We like to share our Watts on Wheels WoW recipes while traveling the U.S. Hi, we're gonna smoke a brisket, a nice beef brisket, 3.38 pounds. We got this on sale at Food Lion for $13.16. That's a good deal. And we're gonna put the seasoning. I got an 8-ingredient seasoning. Yeah, we'll put this on directly on the rack in the smoker using hickory.
Here, look. You're talking about the graining of the meat?
Yeah.
That's how you really...
Oh yeah, there's that grain of the meat, so when you go to cut it, you're going to be...
cutting it against the grain.
Against the grain. So I'm putting this rub on there. How long do we got to leave this rub on here for, Dave?
Well...
I mean, we can wrap this and go drive around for a little bit.
We
and
could.
Come back.
Yeah. Then we'll probably smoke it for about 4 hours. We'll probably smoke it for 2 hours in the as is in the open. Then we'll foil it up, wrap it up in foil, and put it back in the smoker for another 3 hours. That way it'll stay nice and tender and juicy.
I'm gonna flip this over. We got a lot of rub here. Good, be good for another time. Get on there real good.
What's your rub?
It's got 8 ingredients. I'll list them in the comments below.
Oh, all right.
Wrap that up. When you put this on the rack, you're going to put it that side up. We're going to let this sit in the fridge for an hour before we put it on the rack.
There you go.
Okay. Well, I'd say we got a good smoke going on here.
Now that brisket that you did, what you put on? You put in?
Yeah, we put a rub on it.
Boy, that thing turned out good.
Liquid smoke?
Mm-mm.
No?